Understanding Shady Dealings, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of an interesting English phrase, shady dealings. This phrase is often used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. Let's get started. Shady dealings refers to actions or activities that are dishonest, secretive, or illegal. The word shady in this context means something suspicious or lacking integrity, while dealings refers to actions, especially in business or negotiations. When put together, shady dealings suggests underhanded or deceitful activities, often done in secret to avoid detection. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. A company might be involved in shady dealings if it secretly pays bribes to win contracts. If someone is selling products that are counterfeit or stolen, this is considered shady dealings. Politicians might be accused of shady dealings if they make secret deals that benefit them personally. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in your conversations or writing. The journalist reported on the shady dealings of the corporation. After discovering the shady dealings in the department, he decided to resign. The movie is about a detective uncovering shady dealings in the city's underworld. That's all about shady dealings. Remember, it's a phrase that's often used to describe dishonest or illegal activities, especially in business or politics. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.